Start your day with more than just a cup of coffee. Dive into a brewing experience that brings cafe quality right to your countertop. With Casabrews, your cherished beans are transformed into an aromatic journey where each unique flavor is carefully extracted. As the inviting aroma envelops your senses, Casabrews' 20-bar pressure system ensures that every nuanced note of your coffee is preserved. Delivering a smooth, deeply enriching brew that rejuvenates your mornings. Unleash your inner barista with the adjustable steam wand. Whether it's velvety lattes or creamy cappuccinos, your milk is frothed to sheer perfection, transforming every sip into a luxurious indulgence. Casabrews presents a compact espresso machine designed to integrate effortlessly into your space. Experience the thrill of professional brewing within the comfort of your home. Because with Casabrews, every cup is a journey to your favorite cafe.